What's up, everyone? In this video, we're doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market got destroyed this week as a bunch of stocks just ripped to the downside. But on Friday, the stock market really didn't do that bad in the sense that the stock market, or the SPY, at least closed higher than it opened. So I know it's not anything too crazy. The SPY still dropped by over 1% on Friday alone, which is a decent amount, and the market did fall a good amount this week. But anyways, looking more at what happened in terms of our plays, we do have 3 new swing plays from this week, which is pretty rare. So we have a TLT long call debit, we have an ELAN long call play that has some time, and then we had an AMD long put play, and Tom already locked in half profits on that for around 21.5%. So that's awesome. The ELAN play is pretty good in the sense that there's been some pretty bullish insider trading activity as well as just whale trades with this one. So I am pretty excited for it, but I would not be surprised if it takes some time to work out. Another one that's interesting is TLT. The big money is making a pretty big bet, at least the big money we're following, is making a pretty big bet that TLT will rise in the short term. And they're doing this as the next FOMC event is right around the corner, as in next week. So this is like a catalyst play, high risk, high reward, but the risk reward ratio is pretty awesome. So stay tuned for that one. As these plays get updated, we'll talk about them more. Shifting over into the bot plays from this week. The bot did pretty decent this week. It wasn't anything like too crazy in the sense of like a gigantic home run play like how last week we had Roku pop for 85%. It was more so just consistency this week, which I'm definitely not going to complain about that. 4 out of the 5 plays I would say popped. The first play was with GLD, and that popped for 25%. Next one, Meta, for around 14%. The one on Wednesday, the GLD on Wednesday, did not really pop. That only moved up by 5%, so I would classify that as a loser. The GOOGL play from Thursday popped for 34%, which is the best play of the week. And the play from Friday with Intel popped for 25.5%. So definitely not bad. I would say the only loser was GLD on Wednesday, but of course it depends on where the profits and losses were taken. So definitely a decent week from the bot. Shifting over into the theta plays, they're going great as usual. Short puts are pretty awesome, and if you're someone who's still on the fence about shorting put options, what's cool is that lately, especially in the premium selling channel, there's been a lot of alerts with short put plays that don't require too much collateral. For example, this WBD 10 strike short put, that's only $1,000 collateral, which is one of the lowest you'll get for the most part. So that's pretty awesome. Like you can kind of just dip your toe in the water with not too much money. So if you guys want to, or if you need help, feel free to tag Tom, Hunter, or me in the chat, and we can definitely help you out. Short puts are an amazing strategy. They're actually my favorite strategy, and you literally get paid to buy stocks at a low price. So it's definitely hard to beat that. Besides that, heading into next week, we saw a lot of interesting market movement this week, and a lot of stocks are at crucial levels. So expect more volatility next week, and have a great weekend.